Hello everyone, welcome back to our Stable Diffusion tutorial series. In this part, I will explain how to change outfit of a model in an image, concept of turning static images into animations, and how to optimize the processing time using Mimic PC. So, first of all, let's see how to change outfits of a model. To change the dress in the following image, we'll use the Inpaint tool. I'll upload this image to the Inpaint tab, so now we can just paint over the area of the image that we want to change. The top right corner has settings such as brush size, reset, and undo. So let's just paint over the pants. I'll paste some negative prompts and add positive prompts like skirt and realistic. Finally, click generate and wait for the results. As you can see, our generated image now includes a skirt. Once again, we will drag and drop the new image into the Inpaint tab. To delete previous brush areas, click the reset button. Now we'll brush the model's top. We'll make minor changes to the prompt. For example, replace the skirt with a crop top. Finally, click generate and wait for the results. As you can see, our generated image now has a crop top. Here is a side-by-side image comparison. Now, let's look at how to generate animations with just an image. But before we start generating video, let us first understand some essential settings. Hovering over a setting displays a brief description of the function it offers. The first Run tab contains all of the basic settings which you are familiar with and have previously used in Text-to-Image tab. In the Keyframes tab, you can select the animation mode, border mode, and frames. I'll go with 3D and wrap as my border. The frames define the length of your animation. I will go with 120. Below are some more motion options that you can modify to meet your needs. As of now, I will not modify them and will stick with the default settings. Moving on to the Prompts tab, you must have observed that the scene in videos changes drastically over time. This is done by scheduling multiple prompts for different times. For example, the video will start at frame 0. When we reach frame 30, the AI will begin generating this prompt, so you can add your own prompt to this tab. However, be careful about using the same JSON format as used here. The Init tab is used to start a video's first frame with an existing image. To enable the tool, click Use Init. You can either provide an image URL or upload it from your device. The last important setting is in the Output tab. It supports FPS, adding soundtracks to your videos, creating GIFs, and upscaling them. As of now, we will not make any changes here. Let's look at an example of how to use Deforum in practice. I will upload this existing image to the Init tab. Let's add a new prompt to the following box. Finally, click Generate. Usually animations take longer to create than static photos do. So let us skip the creation process. As you can see, our video is ready. Click the above button to see a preview of it. Here's the final output. Now, let's look on how to handle processing time in animation creation. Creating animations from static images can be an incredibly rewarding process, but it often comes with the disadvantage of longer processing times, particularly for complex projects. However, Mimic PC resolves this issue by allowing users to select hardware based on the project's specific needs. Additionally, adjusting some settings may speed up the creation process, so go to Settings, scroll down, and choose Deforum. The CRF value determines the quality of the output video. It goes from 0 to 51, with lower values indicating higher quality. A value of 0 denotes the highest quality, while 51 indicates the lowest quality. So to reduce the generation time, increase the value of CRF. Lowering the preset will also impact your generation timings. Here are some more ways to shorten your processing times. Using Euler or Euler A as a sampler. Use a 2D animation mode with less frames. Also, not using an upscaler in the generations. This setting will generate high-quality animations while using less time. That ends today's tutorial. We've explored how to use Mimic PC's powerful features to creatively change model outfits and transform static images into dynamic animations. By leveraging these advanced features, you can push the boundaries of digital image creation and animation. Don't forget, you can also adjust settings to optimize your workflow and manage complex tasks more efficiently. Keep experimenting with these powerful tools to achieve high-quality results and elevate your creative projects. For those interested, you can also try the upgraded version of Stable Diffusion Web UI called Stable Diffusion Web UI Forge. Forge supports Flux, and Mimic PC is already upgraded to the latest version, allowing you to experience it directly. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.